Hi, I am Corbin Erickson. I am a design engineer at Redekop Manufacturing. We're here today at Redhead Equipment in Saskatoon to talk about some chopper adjustments to optimize the performance of your chopper. These tailboards are designed so you can adjust the spread by lowering and raising the tailboards. This particular chopper is set up with an in-cab adjustment of the tailboard, so you can adjust it with switches. This allows you to adjust the angle at the headlands if you've got a side wind, so you can compensate going each way. When you adjust the tailboards, you also want to pay attention to the floor extension. If the floor extension is set too high and you're running the tailboard down, it's going to intersect the tailboard and you're going to lose velocity. So to keep your ideal velocity, what you'd want to do is have a straight edge and make sure your residue is just merging with the end of the tailboard with its flow. You also don't want to have that floor extension too low or you're going to miss the bottom of the fins and you're not going to get any spread. So if you find that it's not spreading well, pay attention to this floor extension and just how it's feeding the tailboards. If you've got the spring pin tailboards, the same principle applies.